Hey travelers, Amber here with Gateway Travel. Whether you're heading to a tropical paradise, exploring a bustling European city, or embarking on a weekend getaway, one thing is for sure. Having the right travel toiletries can make your trip much smoother and honestly more enjoyable. So in today's video, I'm sharing my ultimate travel toiletries and beauty kit that will have you covered from head to toe while you're on the go. These are compact, practical items designed to make your travels more comfortable and hopefully hassle-free. So if you want to keep your beauty routine intact while traveling light at the same time, keep watching. Let's get started. All right, first up, one of my favorite items is a lotion stick. It is an absolute game changer for traveling. This handy little product helps moisturize your skin without the mess of liquids, making it perfect for a carry-on bag. It's easy to apply, and since it's solid, you don't have to worry about spills or leaks, which is a bonus. It's obviously ideal for dry skin during those long travel flights and after spending a lot of time in the sun. Plus, it's TSA-friendly, so you can carry it on the plane with no issues. You can keep it in your bag for an instant skin boost whenever you need it. Next up, my other favorite item is a solid shampoo and conditioner bar. That's right, say goodbye to those bulky bottles of shampoo and hello to solid shampoo and conditioner bars. These bars are super compact. They take up very little space in your bag while still providing all the hair care you need. Now, when I first got turned on to these, I wasn't sure that they would do a good job of getting my hair as clean as I like, but they are excellent. They're perfect for a quick lather and they last a long time, which makes them very cost effective for frequent travelers. So unlike liquid shampoos, you don't have to worry about spills or leaks, which I love. This is an excellent eco-friendly option for your trips. They also are great for keeping your hair fresh during those long travel days, especially when you're short on time. In my opinion, these are a must-have if you have particular shampoos or ingredients that you like to use. They're hassle-free, easy to travel with. Definitely check them out. All right, next up, we gotta stay clean, and I highly recommend some facial cleansing wipes. So these are essential for really just refreshing your skin when you're on the go. These wipes are absolutely perfect for wiping away sweat, dirt, makeup on these long sightseeing days or long airplane traveling days. They're lightweight, they're easy to pack, you can fit them easily in your purse or travel bag. These wipes are especially useful when you don't have access to a shower or a sink, which happens more often than you think when you're traveling. They leave a really nice, clean feeling every time I use them. I really love that, especially if you don't have access to soap or water. So you literally just grab a wipe and you are good to go. They really are great for a quick kind of touch up and just keeping your skin looking fresh, even during those really long travel delays or layovers at the airport. All right, next up we have stick deodorant, which I think is honestly a must-have for keeping you feeling fresh during your travels. I mean, yeah, it's a blessing to everyone around us, right? So unlike sprays or roll-on stick deodorants, these are really compact, and again, you don't have to worry about them spilling or leaking in your bag. So whether you're sightseeing, hiking, or exploring a new city, stick deodorant helps you stay comfortable and confident all day long, not leaving any lingering smells. It's easy to apply, and many formulas are designed to even last longer, keeping you fresh even on those really hot travel days. Plus, obviously, it's travel friendly, it meets TSA guidelines without any hassle, so you can keep it with you all day, even on the plane, even on your carry-on, and you can hit the ground running when you land. All right, next we have a sunscreen stick. So these are really a convenient way to protect your skin from those harmful UV rays while traveling. It's easy to apply, mess-free, and perfect for on-the-go use. So when you're exploring a new destination, you can have this with you. It's small, it's portable, so it fits in your bag or even your pocket, and it provides effective sun protection without that greasy feel of liquid sunscreen or that white casting that some can leave on you. You can use it for touch-ups during the day, especially on your face and neck and hands, which are really the most exposed to the sun when we're out and about. So the stick Stick format also means no risk of spills in your bag, making it a safe, travel-friendly option. So you can protect your skin while keeping it smooth and comfortable during your adventures. This is a win-win-win. Now, these are one of the more popular items I have introduced you guys to, and it's collapsible silicone bottles. And these are perfect for any traveler who wants to save space without sacrificing their essentials. These bottles can expand to hold liquids and collapse to take up minimal space, which I love, when they're not in use. So whether you're still packing a liquid shampoo, conditioner, or lotion, using these bottles will keep your toiletries organized while taking up way less room in your bag. They are very durable, meaning they won't break or crack. They are leak-proof, so you can travel worry-free. These bottles also meet the TSA guidelines, so they're easy to pack in a carry-on. You can take them right on the plane with you. They are a must-have for any traveler looking to save space while traveling light and still wanting to bring their own essentials. All right, next up, I want you to check out this quick dry microfiber towel. This is one of those travel essentials you'll be glad to have. So whether you're heading to a beach, a pool, or simply need a towel for freshening up on a long journey, this towel dries incredibly fast. It saves space and is super lightweight, but most of all, extremely absorbent. It obviously also packs down really small, which makes it perfect for any travel bag, backpack, or suitcase. This towel also dries so quick after use, so you won't have to deal with that dampness of a traditional towel. It's great for quick stops on your trip where you need a towel for just like wiping off sweat even, or like drying off after a swim, but trust me, this towel will make your travels a lot more convenient. All right, next up we have a travel razor. So really, what is a travel razor? It's just a really compact razor that's perfect for keeping you fresh on your trips. It's lightweight, it's easy to pack, and you can use it for quick touch-ups or a full shave whenever needed. This razor is designed with a protective cover, ensuring it stays safe and doesn't damage your luggage. It's really ideal for packing in your toiletry bag, giving you the convenience of shaving while you travel, whether you're going to a beach, a resort, or a city escape. So with the travel razor, you can keep your grooming routine intact no matter how far you are from home. So what I like to do is just keep this with my travel items, and this is the razor I bring when I am on the go. Next up, let's talk about staying sanitized. Okay, hand sanitizer spray is like my best friend when I'm on the go. It's an essential to keep with me at all times while traveling. It's really easy to use, and the spray bottle ensures you don't waste any product, which I really love, and it's not like gooping and soaking wet all over, dripping all over the place. So it's perfect for sanitizing your hands, especially after touching all these public surfaces or before eating, when hand washing isn't always an option when you're on the go. The compact size makes it really convenient for carrying in your bag, and it's TSA approved for travel, which is awesome. So whether you're on a long flight, touring a museum, or honestly just taking public transportation on a day-to-day basis, a quick spray keeps your hands pretty germ-free. Keep it with you for peace of mind, better hygiene during your travels. I think you'll really enjoy it. If you don't know about the brand Go Girl Travel, you gotta check out their toilet paper. So Go Girl Travel toilet paper is an absolute lifesaver for any traveler, especially when you're exploring areas where public restrooms might be sparse or not up to what you're used to in your typical restroom experience. So this portable roll of toilet paper is so compact and discreet, so it fits easily in your bag or even pocket. It's super handy for outdoor adventures, long hikes, or even emergencies when you're caught without access to a bathroom, which can happen a lot if you're traveling outside of the States. The quality is great, and you won't have to worry about using inferior options when nature calls. This is one item you don't realize you need until you're in a situation where you're just super grateful to have it, or at least be the person in your group that has it. You will be a hero. All right, travelers, that wraps up my really quick list of must-have travel essentials to make your next trip smoother, more comfortable, and stress-free. As always, don't forget all the links to these awesome finds are right down in the description, so be sure to check them out. If you did find something new today, let me know in the comments which item you're excited to try. And if you love travel as much as I do, why not take it a step further? You can turn your passion into something more by joining our team at Gateway Travel. So whether you want to become a travel agent from home or just learn more about the opportunity, we've got you covered. Check out our Learn About sessions on YouTube or schedule a one-on-one call with one of my awesome colleagues. Links are below. You can check those out. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips and must-haves, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy travels!